Hello, you guys. So, my name is Joshua Cohen, but today we're about to go to the church bounce at 11 o'clock. Well, it's 10:41 right now. But anyways, I gotta watch out because today it was raining outside. It's getting cloudy right now. Oh. Alright. But today we're about to go to the St. Luke's Church. Unless there's something happening. But if there's something happening, we can't go. But we'll try. But we'll see if we can try. I don't think that's gonna work, but we're about to go to the St. Luke's Church. But it's 10:42 right now. We have 18 minutes. It's 10:42. Alright. Well, I have the keys right now, but I'll see you in a little bit before we hear it. Bye.